like a wild horse running, storm when it's coming, the rain falling from the sky. Just like a lightning flashing, thunder crashing, fireworks in July. It's like a tall cold drink that'll quench your thirst, or a nice cool summer breeze. It's the birds and the bees. The birds do it, they fall in love. The bees do it too, they can't get enough. Starts with the heart and ends with ecstasy. It's the birds and the bees. When a boy meets a girl, girl likes the boy, he can't get her off of his mind. He's got to focus his attention, he's planning on stealing that kiss for the very first time. While she's sending all the signals and he breaks down, begins to beg and plead. It's the birds and the bees. The birds do it, they fall in love. The bees do it too, they can't get enough. Starts with the heart, ecstasy. It's the birds and the bees. Tweet, tweet, tweet sings the songbird. Buzz, buzz, buzz goes the bees. The birds fly high in the blue sky. The bees make the honey taste so sweet. The birds do it, they fall in love. The bees do it too, they can't get enough. Starts with the heart and ends with ecstasy. It's the birds and the birds do it, they fall in love. The bees do it too, they can't get enough. Starts with the heart, it ends with ecstasy. It's the birds and the bees. It's the birds and the bees, y'all. Thank you. Thank you.